Hidden fields. If you have switched off the Show in Web option, here you have it switched off, then the field will be moved to a special part of the table. This block of hidden fields. It can be collapsed. This button controls this. If they are collapsed, it will be highlighted in yellow. And here we see all hidden fields, not only those with Show in Web disabled, but also those disabled through the eye. For example, we have a field in header. We turn off its visibility. Here field in header will be available to us as an admin. Here are all the fields that are hidden through the eye. For example, field in header, hidden field in header, and hidden field in row, they will be marked with these dashed lines. This means that the field is not hidden hard, and we can make it visible through the eye. For example, by right-clicking on the eye, we will return the default view, and the fields that we had hidden will be made visible again. But as you can see, these two fields are not restored, because they have the Hide by Default option enabled. This parameter means that when the table is first loaded, the visibility of the field will be turned off in the eye. Next, here we see from which specific placement the field is hidden. Left is the prefiler, up is the header, right is the rows part. This is also the rows part, and this is the header. The hand down will indicate the footer. When we hide a field via Show in Web, its value does not disappear. But to change it, we will need to enable this field and change its value. Do the codes continue to run in fields that are hidden hard or through the eye? Yes, and the codes and action codes continue to run. The only thing that does not execute is the formatting code, because the field is not rendered on the page. Quite often in the solution there are technical fields that would be good to display on the page for the administrator, but do not display for any user. For example, we have these fields here. That is admin field in header and admin field in rows. They are highlighted in pink because they have the option visible only to roles enabled, and there is only the creator. This field will not be accessible to any other user. It will not load when the page loads, and in no way can a non-creator user access it. It is highlighted in pink only if the color of the field header is not set. That is, if we set, for example, the old lace, the admin display will be overlapped. My recommendation: do not do any coloring at all for the admin fields. That is, leave this parameter off for fields that are visible only to the creator. Okay, it's simple here. So on to the next video.